Hi guys, I welcome you all to Omo Bless Academy. So in this video, we'll be talking about on how you can actually upgrade your operating system on your laptop, whereby you can actually change your Windows 7 to Windows 10, and how you can actually go about that. Or maybe you are experiencing what's being stated on this laptop as it is, and operating system was not found on your laptop, and you want to upload another operating system. Basically, on how you can actually format your system, your laptop, and at the same time put another operating system on the laptop. So without too much talk, without further ado, let's go straight to it. So first thing you have to do is for you to get the software you want to make use of. Basically the diskette, as you can see, Windows 7, the diskette, you have to get the disk that you use for your um, formatting and upgrading your operating system on your laptop. So now we are going to be uploading the OS on this laptop. Before, on this laptop we have Windows 7, and now we want to change it to Windows 10. So what we will do is now we're going to press Control Alt Delete on the system. So once you do that, you go to the booting option, and by then you already have inserted your diskette to your laptop. So as for the booting option of this system is F7. So their other system, their booting option is F2. That's function 2 or function 12. But as for this system is function 7, which is F7. So while formatting, you're going to switch your booting option to your CD-ROM. So your booting option will be at the top, at the top, and at the top we have the CD-ROM, while the second is for the hard disk. So once your CD-ROM is at the top, you click enter. So once you press enter, you see a message, press any key to boot. Then you press any key on your keyboard. So you wait for the other instruction to follow. So after that, you see a Windows setup pop up. So you're going to select it to your language to install any preferred language you want it to be, the time and currency format, and also the keyboard input. Basically you can actually leave it like this. So just press on the next. So after next, you click on install now. As you can see, you see setup is starting. So now once you get to this place, you select, you have various options for you to select from: Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Education. So basically, while it's turning, just click on the Windows 10 Pro STD. Why? Because once you have a software that has a key, you can actually select that. But if you want your Windows to be activated automatically, you select the OEM. So you can select the Windows 10 Pro OEM or Windows 10 Enterprise, or which one you really prefer. So for this system, we'll be selecting the Windows 10 Pro O here. Then we click on the next. And you are going to check. After that, you check this, accept the license terms. So basically this is the terms being displayed for us. Once you go through it, you it's mandatory for you to check and accept. Then you click on next. Now there are two type of installation. Is either you upgrade, that's if you have Windows running on your system, you wish to update, to upgrade to Windows 10. But rather we can actually click on the custom, whereby we can actually do everything we want manually. Now, so after that, it's going to lead you to Windows setup. Here you have the size of your hard disk being in partition. You can decide to delete it, as you have delete option. Then you set the partition of your hard disk, and this is format. So once you select this, is already selected like this. Once you select, you can actually click format. So once you click on format, everything on your hard disk will be deleted, will be formatted, and then you can actually now upload your new OS by clicking the next. And if you want to format the down part as well, click on format, just to erase everything in that hard disk. If you want to delete this, you can just click on delete and OK. So now it's unallocated space, so you click on next, the one with the system with enough space to contain the operating system we want to install. If you select this, you see that Windows cannot be installed on this drive. So as you can see, you can upload on this. Why? Because the size is very small. The size is very small, so you can only upload your OS on this first one, the spacious, you know, part of the hard disk. After you've done that, you click on next. So next, you see everything is getting ready, copying Windows file, getting files ready for installation. So we have to await that before the next thing in line. So that is done. So we are going for the next step. The installation features done, installation installing update done. So we are going for the finishing up now. So you can actually click on the restart now for it to restart. So there's one thing you need to know. Initially when we want to start the installation, there's a prompt that say press any key to continue. So same thing will come out. So now you don't need to press any key at all. Just let it go like that. Because if you press any key, it's going to start the process from beginning. So the second prompt that will pop out for you to press any key, you don't need to press that. So our device is getting ready. Now you're getting to the final step of upgrading your operating system or formatting your operating system. Now the system is being restarted, getting ready, part of the formatting process. So same prompt will come out to press any key. Don't press any key, just leave it to go that way. So we are getting to the end part, just a moment. So you have to wait patiently for the OS to do its thing. Just follow it step by step. So now this is the part where you select the region you are. So basically from this side I'm going to search for Nigeria. So Nigeria. So there's the region where I am. Then you click on yes. So you have to select US keyboard, the right keyboard layout you want, and if you prefer any other kind of keyboard layout, you can actually go for it. But as for me, I'm going for the US layout. Want to add second? No, let's skip. If you wish to add another second layer, then you can go ahead. Now if you have internet, you can actually connect and set basically your network, but I don't want to do that for now. Then I will be clicking on I don't have internet to progress to the next step. So this is the part where you customize your system. So who is going to use this PC? So as for me, I'm going to input user. So after that you click on next. Now if you wish to create a password for your system, you can go ahead, but I'll leave it that way. So just a moment. Guys, there we have it. Our system is being upgraded, so our operating system is now uploaded on our system. So Windows 7 is now Windows 10. As you can see vividly, now we're operating on Windows 10. So this basically a simple way you can actually go about upgrading your system. So I have to restart the system now. Now you don't have business with any prompts asking you to press any key. You're done formatting your system, you've done upgrading your OS, which is your operating system. So let it just flow, or better still, you remove the disk from your system. So we're done upgrading our system. Now this system now is on Windows 7 and no longer on Windows 7. I mean this this system is on Windows 10. It's no longer on Windows 7. There we have it, guys. So basically I believe someone has gained value from this video. Now you can actually format your system yourself, so this will actually save you from paying engineer to help you format or upgrade your Windows 7 to Windows 10. So basically with this you can actually go about that with yourself. And if that is the case, don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more educative video content like this. Thank you so much.